Growing up in New Orleans, Louisiana, I'm the third of 4 girls, and I was the first to graduate from college. I knew I wanted to be a nurse when I was 8 years old. Found out about Chamberlain, and I decided to enroll there. I had no idea at that time that I would have the career role that I'm currently in, which is being the magnet program director at my organization. When I hear the name Chamberlain University, I literally get a warm and fuzzy feeling. They all took very good care of me, and they wanted to help me. The one thing that I often tell people about Chamberlain University is it gives a sense of community and belonging. They had so many available resources and tools. There was always somewhere I could go to have a question answered. The first time I got a phone call from one of the professors just to check in and say, hey, how's it going? You've been really participating in class. I really enjoy reading your posts. I just wanted to see if you needed anything. I was blown away. Never had that happen. I would tell my colleagues if they want an experience that is going to solidify their nursing practice, they need to go to Chamberlain. They will be taken care of. They'll be supported. They'll actually flourish in the Chamberlain environment because I know they're gonna get the same type of structure that we need for them to have in our magnet organization. After getting my degree, I understand my purpose. Chamberlain fully prepared me for this journey in my career. When I look back at my life, a little girl from New Orleans, Louisiana, I got here with grit, I got here with determination, but I solidified it with my Chamberlain degree.